In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VR to TV, PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up PSVR. You will be able to use other headsets alongside your TV, but for this video specifically, I'm going to showcase how to set up PSVR. This is going to work for both models. I'm going to give you instructions based on the first model. However, you should be able to follow the general steps that I show you with the secondary model as well. So to start, when you unbox your PSVR box, you will have a lot of things included, a lot of cables, and all of these will be used, starting with the processor unit. So for the first step, all that you have to do is connect the processor unit to your TV with the provided HDMI cable. If your console is connected to your TV, unplug the HDMI cable from the console and you will be able to plug it directly into the processor unit. So it should look like this. Once you have the TV connected to the processor unit with this HDMI cable, you can now set up the PlayStation camera. This is sold separately, so if you have one, make sure that you plug it now. Once this is done, you will be able to plug the HDMI one into the back of the console and the processor unit. So now you will have an HDMI cable going from the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console into the processor unit. So this HDMI cable will connect both of these devices. You should be able to find an extra cable on the box of supplied cables as well. Now, with this done, you will plug a cable going from the processor unit into the console. This is going to be a USB cable connecting both of these devices. You will connect it to the front of the console and another one at the back of the processor unit. Now, connect the AC power cord into the adapter cable and plug it into the electricity. So you will have a cable going from the processor unit into a power outlet, and finally, you will be able to set up the actual VR headset here. So slide the processor unit connector cover back and plug in the VR connection cable. With the VR connection cable, you can connect the VR headset and start using it. You have a spot for earbuds included as well, and now all that you have to do is switch on your TV and power up your console via the DualShock 4 or the DualSense wireless controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect VR to TV, PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.